Hi everyone, here's my Module 3 Part 2 presentation. The STEM activity we were asked was, can you filter your water using the engineer design process? So the first thing was identifying the problem, which was the need to create a water filtration system that replicates Earth's natural filtration system. So you think of the water cycle, and from there, this would be a teacher given problem. From there, students would then explore, which is the same thing that I did to help them design a plan based off of the Earth's natural water system. So they would want to look at the Earth's layers and use that to help them to design their model. Once they've done their exploration, then they will be given the materials to create their design. So they'll be working in groups and they will design their models by creating a sketch or a diagram of some sort with labeling what material goes where and how they create it. And then they will create their models. Over here to the right is the model that I created. And my layers went cheesecloth, alum, charcoal, sand, and then gravel. And that bottom cup is for to catch the clean water. So once they've designed and created their model, then they're going to test it out. For my model, you could see that it could stand on its own, but as soon as I poured water in, I had to give it reinforcement. I learned, you can see right there, the cup slipped based off of how much weight the water has. So I learned that the toothpicks needed to go up a little bit more in order to carry that weight. So as I poured water through it, at the bottom there, you can see the clean water coming through, and it was actually really clean. So from there, then they would work on the improved step of the engineer design process. Here are some reflection questions, or you could use them as discussion questions with your students based off of the design and the activity. And how it falls out on the inquiry continuum is the first characteristic would go with the problem step of the engineer design process, because the teacher would give them the question and then clarifies the question by identifying the Earth's natural filtration system. It would be self-directed for the rest of them. For the second characteristic would be more of the research stage, where students would conduct their own research, looking at the different layers of the Earth, studying the water system. The third characteristic, it would student directed. Students would compare their materials that they were given with the Earth's based off of their research to help them with the design and creation process of their filtration system. And then for the fifth characteristics, this would go with the improved step, where they're reflecting on their findings and reflecting their understanding. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Thank you so much for listening.